Alright you fellas, today we're going to take a look to another tutorial in Studio Unicorn or Unicorn Studio or whatever you want to call it. And of course this time I'm going to do it from my MacBook because to be honest this is an online app and it doesn't require any shortcuts whatsoever. So let's take a look how this works. So first of all we're going to start with a text, type in whatever you want. There it is. And then I'm going to scroll down, place it in the center, change up the color, make it white. Let's go to font size, increase that. Let's go and widen it. And from here, we're going to go to the font and I'm going to search for mole. So it's going to look something like this. All right, so from here, what we're going to need to do is go here to the text layer, click on the three dots. Let's go and add effects. And we're going to search for Chromatic Aberration, select that. And here we're going to need to change up the direction from linear to radial. And let's go and increase the spread and also activate the blend. So now it's going to blur it, and now you can increase the spread even more. All right, so from here, let's go back to the layer with the text. Click on the three dots. Let's go to add effect, and we're going to search for a replicate. And let's go and select the replicate here. And there you go, now it's going to clone the text. Now here you got the spacing. If you want to arrange the spacing, decrease or increase, you can do that. But in my situation, I'm probably going to leave it as it is. And then to make this animate, all you need to do is go here to the layer with the replicate, hit on the play, and take a look at that. It is going to roll. Now you also can decrease the speed. Here we got the animation speed, decrease that. And I'm going to go with 11, for example. Now let's go and click on the text layer here. And now we're going to go to the effects, search for stretch. Let's go and select the stretch. Now this stretch has to go on top of the text layer, like so. Let's select the stretch layer and let's go and play around with the stretch values here. So here you get the Y and the X. All you need to do is just increase them and then it is going to stretch it. Take a look at that. And as you can see, it is working only on the bottom side. So we can go and select the sides from 1 to 2. And it's going to stretch both sides. So you can play around with the values and I'm going to decrease the amount and add more value. Probably going to go with 1000 how it was and then stretch and just test it out to see what results you're going to get. I'm also going to add some chromatic aberration. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, look at that. So this is going to probably stretch it even more. The chromatic aberration is going to mess it up and it's going to look way more colorful. So yeah, you pretty much can stretch it however you want. Probably going to increase it and double it. Oh my god, I added too much. Let's go and add 1000. Ooh, this is sick. So yeah, pretty much that's how you make it. And up at least I'm also going to add a VHS. Let's search for, actually you don't need to search for it, it's right here. Select the VHS. We're going to hit play on the VHS layer right here, and on the right side you can customize the values here, but in my situation I kind of like it, so I gotta leave it as it is, maybe scale it. And pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.